We are here in Angola, Luanda, and we are meeting with Mr. Łukasz Jaroszek, a businessman who has invested a lot in the country, and he will talk to us about his journey here in Angola. Mr. Łukasz, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Thank you very much. So can you please introduce yourself first for our viewers?
I'm Łukasz Jaroszek. I'm CEO of Lion. It's a cloth factory, and also member of the board of Boavida Group.
Perfect. So, Mr. Łukasz, can you tell us first of all, because I know that you have been here living in Angola for the past 15 years, why Angola? That would be my first question.
The friend of mine came to Angola in last century, and he invited me for his wedding in 2005. And then I came in 2012, and I love the country, I love the people, so I decided to live in here and work in here.
Perfect. So you have invested a lot in the past 15 years here in Angola, as you are a business owner and you are, like you said, a member of the board of Boavida Group, which is a huge company here in Angola. Can you tell us more about Boavida Group?
Boavida Group has around 10,000 employees. We are on the market for almost 30 years, and we are one of the biggest companies, private companies on the local market, and for sure the biggest company with the biggest housing project in Angola. We already built it around 7,000 houses. Right now we are on the Urbanização Boavida. That's the biggest project that belongs to the company. There are some other small housing projects, but this one is the biggest, very well known on the local market. And on this project we have a commercial shopping center and office block. We are building a clinic and the school and a hotel. So really this is a very well known and big project.
It is very impressive. It's a lot. It's a big investment, like I said before. And it makes me want to ask you about, let's say, the business ethics and adapting to a new country and actually investing here in Angola. Can you tell us about that? How has the journey been?
Well, first of all, you need to know the local language. It's Portuguese. But you need to know the language street, I would say, how to communicate with people. For us European, the business ethic is a little bit different. So it's very important to understand this business ethic, be more patient, be more Angolan. We are well known right now in Angola as Angolan people because we speak their language, we behave like Angolans. I have an Angolan family, my wife is Angolan, so we are white Angolans in Angola.
I like that saying. Okay, so Angola, maybe other Polish investors didn't quite have that destination in mind. Could you please maybe tell them why it's a good area to invest in right now, Angola?
For me, this is today, I guess, the best market to invest in Africa. Today we have an international forum with leaders from all over the world. Our president, João Lourenço, who is the president of Angola, is also president of the African Union. It means that he represents all Africa. And first of all, resources, diversification of the local economy, the politics of the government, that there is no visa today for the tourists, there is no visa for the investors. Investors from all over the world can open companies. So the politics for the business is improving every single day. Angola has a huge dynamic economy, is growing very fast. Today is the second biggest explorer of the oil, one of the most valuable diamonds all over the world, agriculture, there are rare minings, and so really the tourism, the huge opportunity that in the last month they opened the new airport here in Luanda, international airport that will be a hub for the sub-Saharan Africa. So the weather for the investment it's today, it's right now.
It's right now. Those are very concrete and very valid points about business and business strategy that you just gave us. I want to ask right now about life in Angola. I want to know maybe, could you tell for our Polish people the difference between life in Angola and life in Poland? And maybe also, are there some similarities?
Well, I guess people like to party, as in Poland. So we have a very good beer here in Angola, the local beer. They like to spend time on the beach. We have amazing beach here in Angola, 1,500 kilometers of the beach, sandy beach. The ocean is amazing, warm. Well, just you need, when you come to Angola, you need to be more patient, and you are African, you know very well. Africa is a little bit different than Europe, but you can adapt. And in peak we had around 80 employees from Poland, so they loved Angola. They adapted very well. They love to work with Angolan people, and from my opinion, I have Angolan family. I love Angolans, so you can adapt if you want, and you can see all the good sides of the country. Then it's amazing country.
Amazing, amazing. So you're here in Angola, you're creating opportunities, you're creating employments, creating businesses, and all of those amazing things. Can I ask you, maybe in 5-10 years, what would be the goals that you have as Group Boavida, but also as your own business, as a businessman?
Mm-hmm. About Group Boavida, I suppose you should ask CEO of Group Boavida, but as we know, he's Tomasz Dobor, he's a big visionary, so he always wants to improve, always wants to improve services, products. He wants people to grow together with him. It's this side of this business. That's why we are here where we are, because it's every single day it's a best day and best opportunity to grow. In my perspective, I guess it starts the best time for the international investments. That's what we are going to prepare for international investments, European investment, Polish investors. We have a great opportunity to invest in agriculture as well. Fishing business, there are many opportunities, so it starts right now to receive investors and I hope tourists from all over the world.
Amazing, amazing. Mr. Łukasz, maybe we will end on this fun fact, because earlier we were having a conversation and you did give me an information that I didn't have. You did tell me that Angola and Poland have the same Independence Day, which is November 11th. Maybe it's not a coincidence.
I guess so. This is a very I would say something unique. Yeah. It's very unique. As far as I know, there are no other countries that have Independence Day on the same day. So it shows that we are two countries very familiar, and we can have a great future all together.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Mr. Łukasz, for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you all. This is Sophia Ba reporting from Angola, Luanda for TVP World.